Tired of feeling like your money is just slipping through your fingers? Have you heard about apps like Rocket Money, Trim, or Upstart, but wondered how they actually stack up? You're not alone. In a world of subscriptions and seemingly endless bills, these services promise to be your personal financial superheroes. But before you hand over your bank account information, let's break down what each of them actually does and who they are really for. First, there's Rocket Money. This app is the all-in-one financial manager. Think of it as your financial command center. It links to all your bank accounts, tracks your spending, and builds a budget. But its claim to fame is its ability to find and cancel subscriptions you've forgotten about. You can see all your recurring charges in one place and, for a premium fee, they'll even cancel them for you. They also offer a bill negotiation service, where they'll call your service providers to try and get a lower rate, and they only charge you a percentage of the money they save you. It's a great option if you want a comprehensive view of your finances and a hands-off approach to saving on recurring bills. Then you have a service like Trim. Now, Trim is much more focused. It's a bill negotiation and subscription cancellation specialist. They started with a simple text message interface, and while they've evolved, their core mission remains the same: find you savings. Trim focuses on negotiating bills like your internet, cable, and phone. They also analyze your spending to find and help you cancel unwanted subscriptions. The key difference is their business model. With Trim, if they successfully negotiate a lower bill, they take a percentage of your total savings for the year. So, if they save you $200 on your cable bill, they'll take a cut of that, but you get to keep the rest. Finally, let's talk about Upstart. This is where things get different. Upstart isn't a budgeting or savings app. It's a personal loan platform. Their specialty is using artificial intelligence to underwrite loans, looking at factors beyond just your credit score, like your education and job history. This makes them a potential lifeline for people with a limited credit history or a less-than-perfect credit score who are looking to consolidate debt or finance a major purchase. Unlike Rocket Money or Trim, which are about managing your current spending and saving, Upstart is a tool for accessing credit to help you restructure your financial situation. So, who wins? Well, there's no single winner because they all serve different purposes. If you're looking for a broad tool to manage your money, track your spending, and find hidden subscriptions, Rocket Money is your go-to. If your main goal is to aggressively lower your monthly bills and cut down on wasteful subscriptions, Trim is the specialist you need. And if you're looking to get a personal loan to consolidate high-interest debt and you're struggling to get approved by traditional lenders, Upstart is the platform to explore. The best choice depends on what your personal financial mission is. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.